Alrighty guys, we're in a garage today. Well, it's my second cousin, another one of my second cousin's doors. Got 4 LiftMaster 3280 belt drives. This door has a broken spring. They all have double torsion springs. This one has a broken spring, so it's just that one doing all the work. I know which button goes to which. This one goes to that door, that one goes to that door, or that door. This one goes to this door, and then this one goes to the door at the end. There's actually a 5th door. I'll run that one later. I'll run that one sooner or later. No, I'll show you. This one's a 6-panel door. Sorry for any background noise. There's a party going on. It's a golf out. There's that. Right now, it's all about these 4 doors. Until now, it's all about these 4 doors. We'll go from left to right on this one. Really quiet. This is exactly why these garage door openers are the best. So on this one, the rail is flexing on this. The rail on this one is flexing, actually. The rail on this one is actually flexing. I think it's on the way up. I think it's on the way up. Run down this door. This one's really quiet, actually. And we'll do this door. I think that's the gear. I think that's the gear on that one. Now this one has probably a bad gear in this one. Well, here's what all these doors look like closed. This one. This one's real. These are really smooth. This is why these kind of openers are absolutely the best. One of the flexi rail door. Jump on the car. Yeah, you can really see the rail on this one flex. Maybe because of that broken spring. Maybe because that one has a broken spring. We'll do this one, and we'll open that one, and then that'll be it. This one these 2 doors could be turned into a double, but I guess these doors are super wide enough to fit all these cars. And then this one, and I don't know if I'll be able to run these all at the same time. I'll see. I'll find out which door. You know what? I might be able to do that. If I have enough room to do that, I'll do it with my arm, maybe. Well, I do not know which door is slow and fast. Alright, let's go around here. All 4 of them? Yep. Alright. I think that this one is the slowest. It's got that broken spring and that flexed rail. The rail on this one really flexes. And there's some other cousins. Well, got these amazing 3280 doors. This is my favorite These openers are my favorite. LiftMaster 3280, also LiftMaster 2280, which looks exactly like this. However, it's a 390 megahertz. The 3280 is the 315, and I don't know if all these are 3280s. Wait. You know, this one's a 2280. See if I can get over here. This one's a 3280. Can't really tell. This one is. I don't know if these have old style light covers. I can't really tell. If I'm gonna say that these three are 3280s and this one's a 2280, but I'm just gonna title it 3280s. All 4 LiftMaster 3280s. That's what I'm gonna title this video. Yeah, this one's got a broken spring for some reason. I don't know if they're gonna replace it or not, but I'll find out. But yeah, this one's got a snapped spring. All right, now I gotta close down these two because these two were just closed. But yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.